Hello, Cora, Sunil, Felix, and uh, Maria Oliva. Hello to all of you. Um, I'm going to explain about what we are going to do on Flipgrid in this round. So let me show you. I have given the guys these questions. Who are you? How old are you? And the traditional ones. I have already uploaded the video. And let me tell you that this whole Flipgrid activities could be even funnier for the guys to answer back in this way. Well, this is the video I have uploaded for them. So here you have, tell them that they have here the questions, and this is the video I have recorded for them. Yeah, but they do have the answers, and tell them that they could write here their answers so that they do not remember, and if they are not good at improvising, they can write their answers in those post-its. I have already told them that they can do this. They can add some nice frames or some sort of emojis, yeah, some sort of things, funny things for the students. And this is one thing. And the other is that when they answer to the students, to make the answers a little bit funnier, they can, let me, here again, in the website, you can click, the students can click over here, but they can give answers in this mode, also in video mode. Yeah, it is not only the written stuff, but
Hi, I'm Manuel.
but students value a lot when the other student is recording a video for them.
Nice to meet you, Manuel. Um, it's really great that we're able to connect on this platform.
So I would strongly suggest that you tell your students that they should select the video mode. Well, also the written stuff is nice, but students love seeing faces and things like that. So congratulations for everything you have done. And I'm so happy to be once again participating with students. And also, I would like to tell you that you should also participate. Students do like it, yeah? And I would like to see Cora here applying everything you have learned in this Flipgrid stuff. And well, I'm so happy for that. And that's all. Any question you may ask, and from this moment on, the Flipgrid application with round number 2 is ready. Bye.